Now that you've finished the Think Like an Archaeologist PowerPoint and video, we're going to move on to page 18. All of the gifts that you saw, the artifacts from the PowerPoint, are all items that were exchanged in what became known as the Columbian Exchange. We'll start at the top of page 18, defining Columbian Exchange. The Columbian Exchange is the global transfer of plants, animals, and diseases that occurred during the European colonization of the Americas. So after Columbus came over, he was followed by other European explorers that started to trade items back and forth across the Atlantic Ocean. The Columbian Exchange generally had a positive impact on Europeans, so can be considered a gift for the European explorers. You saw in the gift that they found, sorry for the bow, new foods like rice and corn, new land, and economic opportunities that came settling that land. On the other hand, the Columbian Exchange was devastating for Native Americans and generally had a negative impact, as was shown in the PowerPoint. Native Americans were enslaved, which was represented by the hand and chains. They were often treated quite cruelly, as was shown with the picture of the hand cut off, which was gross but fake. Europeans unknowingly spread diseases among Native Americans, including the smallpox image that was shown in one of the gifts. Overall, Native Americans had a loss of culture that came from the decrease in population, being enslaved, and their lives being completely upended with the arrival of Europeans. So down at the bottom of the page, was the Columbian Exchange actually a gift? Not for Native Americans, although Europeans benefited from expanding across the Atlantic Ocean. That's it. Thanks for listening.